G'day viewers. Well, went to a garage sale. They have a little free giveaway. The stuff that no one bought, the junk that was left behind. Got some goodies, some of those speakers and that stereo. Had that one speaker that was original to it, which was crap, so I just didn't like it, so I put these ones on it. These are nice looking speakers. They seem to be pretty nice sounding too, but they've got a bit of foam rot in the main drivers. They sound pretty good. The cabinets need a bit of work. Got to re-veneer them, and a bit dirty and moss infected, but that's okay. They're made in the Philippines. Let's see. Model number SW-M345, 4 ohm, 40 watt max, 70 to 20 kilohertz of frequency response. Made in the Philippines. SPL, speaker or sound peak level, 87 decibels per watt at 1 meter. I think that's what that is. These actually sound not too bad, so I might actually refoam these. That's just a port. That's not a tweeter, they're ports. The tweeters work good on this. Love the red speaker. I like that theme. That's cool. Red cardboard speaker. They've got a big basket with a smaller magnet on it. About 20 watts, 4 ohms. The speaker's rated anyway to drive it itself, but I'll get to measure it up. I get them cheap refoam kit. They're pretty cheap, so it's worth fixing. I'll get those other big speakers I got given to. I got some big speakers given to me, big 11-inch drivers in them that need to be refoamed, so I'll practice my refoaming on these ones. Put a cheap refoam kit on these, and when I do a good job on these, that'll practice my skills to whether to fix the big ones up. And I can do some speaker refoams for people. Got another radiogram to work on. The guy went and got a phone call from an estate agent antique shop that do all the furniture for deceased estates, and the shop sells all the antiques from those sorts of places, those old houses. So had a look at the radiogram. This is a model. It is model low effect Philips. It's a nice unit. It's got all those inputs, so that your guitar, everything, tape, everything inputs, so you can plug your phone into it. I'm going to make him an adapter. He can plug his phone into it too. It all works well and nicely. Tested it out, and the pots need to be cleaned. The record player works. I just ordered a new needle for him, so when that arrives I've put a new needle on it, and we can have this, so we can get it all serviced. July 1965 published. Anyway, so that's a project I've got to fix up for someone. More tapes. Get it a good cleaning. That be from storage of more tapes now. A dead charger which has had the battery stuck in it. I pulled this battery apart and the cells looked and tested okay, so I recharged this on the Akai Genius on the boost, 16 volt boost, and this thing's holding a good charge. This battery's still okay. 14.4 volt, made in Taiwan. I also got this cupboard which I've tape in that place. Garage sale. Free, come and take it. This wasn't screwed down, and the back was all stuffed and waterlogged, and the bottom was all a bit waterlogged, but I fixed it all up, put feet in it, put a new back in it, screwed the top down properly, and screwed it all up. It's just that Bunnings Chinese caboodle furniture, the flat pack type furniture you get at Bunnings. I've reinforced it, and it's actually quite a good cupboard now. Not bad for free. Come take it, had the free sign on it, so I grabbed it. Gave me Opus a good test, and yeah, not much power. 28 milliamp hour, 10 milliamp hour, 11 milliamp hour, 300 milliamp hour, 34 milliamp hour, 2 volts, 2 volts. Yeah, they're pretty much screwed, but at least I gave my charger a good test how it'll react with bad batteries. I cut the tops and folded them back and stuffed them for the hot snot, just so to stop it from oozing out jizz all over my new equipment and rusting everything out. So the stereo, well, yeah, not bad for free, I suppose. It's a cheap piece of garbage, but it all works fine. Just missing the tuning knob. It isn't too bad. It's got an auxiliary input and a CD player and everything on it. It's pretty rubbish, this thing, but from the side of the road, what do you expect?
Pickle in Mildura. Harvey Norman's huge range of personal care electricals will have you turning heads everywhere you go. Amazing deals on hair and dental care products. Save big on massages, shavers and...
Not bad for the shed. Trying to fix this one here up and get the cassette deck working with the belts are a challenge for that thing. Might give these speakers a good bass under the pie. Just get that foam all broken down. Watch the foam like just, yeah, would be blowing chunks. Then I can clean up and stick the new Refoam kit on it. Or I could stick the Clarion car speakers in there. The 130 watters in these cabinets. Oh, fit too. But yeah, well, Refoam kit's cheap enough and these speakers sound pretty good. And they look cool, so yeah, it's a cheap Refoam kit to be perfect for these. The foam would last as long as the original one on here did. These are from the mid 80s, I think. So I don't see why it would last any more, another 30 years at least. Anyway, I've taken this auto transformer apart and this bypassed the thermal fuse. It didn't look too bad and test too bad on the multimeter. Didn't show you completely shorted out or anything, but well, they should have got this on camera. When I plugged it in, it poured a bit of current. The BAZ was moving, and then it went. That's the sort of pop sound it made and smoke blew out of it. She's open circuit now, see? Yeah. I didn't get it on camera, but it made a nice sort of a pop. That was funny. I should have saved it so I can get it on camera. But let's open this thing up and have a look. It's not actually oscillating, it's an auto transformer. So how it's set up, it's not actually a full-blown oscillating style. It just goes through a winding, and that just uses a winding itself to step the voltage down as an auto transformer, as opposed to a normal oscillating transformer. A little workbench here. You can see how hot it's not to hold everything back together. It smells good. So we have active here on one winding and neutral on the other, and these two are the outputs. Hence the one winding there. It's auto transformer. She made a nice pop. Just wish I had got it on camera. I just couldn't help myself. Had to blow it up. I'll get the camera out and tear that down later. Nothing much to see in there. It doesn't look as burnt out as I thought it was going to be, but it's good. Good bit of footage, that's for sure. I should have got. Anyway, plenty more things to pop. And this stereo uses those just circuit board connectors on those bloody speakers. They're all cheap. Just connect them in the back straight in the circuit board. Just plug them straight into those little pin connectors. Pretty cheap. Very cheap way to do it. Should get me get a CD and test a CD player part of it. Probably still work. Test the auxiliary input. But anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.